everyone, welcome back to Wondrous Minds, and today we are having a session because our CBSE board exams have been cancelled, and today's session is all about ourselves. And so we haven't done a session in quite a long time, and we have done our last session perhaps when we were at 120 something. So now we have 1760, and so it's a long time from then. And it's quite time that we have introduced ourselves in a new way. And so we will share some secrets and details that no one has in our channel, no one knows. So basically, that's our YouTube story about how we started our channel. And so first my part, because I have been the first one to create this channel. I mean, I created this channel and I did most of the work. So my YouTube story started in 2017 when I first saw.
And then Mr. Incognito.
Yeah, okay. So my YouTube story started in 2017 when I first saw the video of Bright Side, which is quite a popular YouTube channel now with some 35 million subscribers. And so for around 1 year or so, I just watched their videos and nothing else. And then I came to know of What If, which is yet another great channel, and their video effects are just mind blowing. So they inspired me to create my own channel. But back then I had no intention of creating my own channel, and this has been quite a story that I created this channel being inspired, or not inspired actually, but as a channel to those channels which are creating content that have in them some curse words and profane words, and the concept of online roasting, which is quite popular these days, and it's a concept that I really don't like, and it's literally doing a video that spreading hatred about someone who just have no thing here. Okay. So most of my friends are actually doing some kind of stuff like that, and so I thought that okay, I will make a channel which is completely out of that, completely different from what they are doing. And so that's why Wondrous Minds was created. But when we created, we didn't create Wondrous Minds. It was created as Wandering Minds, which was named after the WhatsApp group of us three friends, and
Yeah.
that's how Wandering Minds was created. And so when I created the first video, it was a trailer of less than 30 seconds. So in the most minimalistic
I was not
case,
there in the trailer.
that the trailer didn't have any people there.
Oh yeah, I was not there in the intro.
In
Because
fact,
I
that
joined
second
late.
video. So I made
I joined.
videos first day, and yeah, you joined later. I made another one where you were at. So
Continue.
yeah. So yes, when we created the channel, Agni was not there. He joined with Dramatizing Minds, which just has, which was much later, about 1 month later, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the first members were me, Obiru, and then Ritesh also joined. Though he is not present here because he is not online. I don't know why, but he doesn't remain online usually. Even after knowing that board exam has
And
been
we also don't have his number.
yeah, I have his Instagram, but he is not online in Instagram. Probably he doesn't even know that the boards have been cancelled.
I think so.
So I have informed him that the boards are cancelled.
Oh,
So he
What do you
might
want?
So what did he say?
yeah.
Did he say anything?
he's told that okay, good, I know that.
Oh, and I have asked him to join in another meeting that we will do, another session that we will do somewhere soon. So let's see whether he comes or not. So it was we three who created this channel, and the main motive was to make an alternative kind of channel and to see whether this grows actually. And to be honest, with the help of our number of subscribers, our viewers, we are actually the leading channel in whole of South Point, and also in one of the fastest growing channels in the whole world. I mean, regarding this, because there are various channels which post some content that are actually not original, and they gain a lot. So, as an original content creator, we are one of the fastest growing. So that has been tremendous. And in South Point, among my friends, I am the highest, most subscribed and most viewed. And also, given that we have more number of videos, so it's natural that we will have more views. That's true. But subscribers 1,700. No one has even 800%. Oh yeah, one has, right? One has
1 year.
and
He's also in the hosting criteria.
yeah. So basically, while they do grow faster, but in the end, it's channels like we who actually create something different. And when you create something different, you stay away from the crowd. It's natural that people will know, that people will like it.
Interested and attracted with
Yeah.
that kind
Because,
of
when everyone creates the same thing, someone who is different will always catch the eyes.
the viewers.
Yeah. So whatever, and at the end of 1 year, we had some 1,500. I mean, I thought that we will perhaps get 500, but it's more than double. I mean, triple out there, and that's all thanks to our subscribers and viewers. And so that's my story. And fun fact, I actually had a channel previously as well, which was actually a very short-lived one. It was only 20 minutes that I created one channel. So it was my own account transferred into a channel, and it was named Tech Boiba. And there was one tech video that I created, but later on I thought that okay, let me make another email where I will make only these contents, nothing else, because that will help. Like eventually, if the channel grows, then if I create it in my own account, then there will be lots of subscriptions, which perhaps I don't want to show or like that. And it's better to have another email that will also help in the brand or the email being different, because if all mails come into one account, it's very difficult. And so that's how
For anything else, I am sharing one thing. I am wearing a mask because the maid has come to our house.
Oh,
That's
that's
I'll continue. That's for safe.
Okay.
Yeah, that's for
So-
safe.
yeah. Safety are always better. And people should wear masks because COVID isn't going at any time.
Yeah.
Sanitize.
So that's my
Stay home,
story.
stay
And
safe.
now let's move on to Obidu, because he is actually the one of our whole group to have a channel much before. He had a channel from about 2 years, right? Or 3 years. Like, yeah. So
Actually, my journey started from 2017.
same.
Actually, it was then my uncle told that if you do something in YouTube, actually I was more interested in that origami things like
Yeah.
making.
You have that origami channel, origami and game.
yeah. It's
Also,
when I
those
said-
who are watching, do check out his channel as well, which is given in the description and also in the channel's page. His channel's name is Judge English. And also check out Ritesh's channel, which is Game Synecdoche Animation. I guess so that's what is pronounced, because I am not very good in Spanish, because I have just learned from Duolingo.
So naturally he's offered the caught my eyes, and I just opened the channel, and this channel was named Abhi007. And that at that channel I used to have 18 subscribers, and I think 9
It was
videos.
1990
I posted.
when I subscribed last. I was the last subscriber.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
So I was just very thrilled with that. I was going very good, but actually, you know that the burden of studies were also there.
Yeah,
So
that's
naturally,
why
my
they are
channel
improving totally.
went to a dead position in a
Yeah.
silent mode.
Hmm.
So it was then when Boiba offered me that let's in partnership we open a channel named Wondrous Minds. At first, it was Wandering Minds.
Yeah.
So I was then very thrilled that I can now start the of my own and also with, can grow with partnership. So from then I started again started making origami videos like that ninja video that has got 130 views here. The dragon video was the first one that I posted in Wondrous Minds that you posted. So this is how my journey started and it's going on. Though it's a bit laggy, there are some lags in between. I'm not posting.
Yeah, like
Now, as you know,
months has been. Yeah.
are just
You last posted 6
I-
months before.
yeah. Now I am trying to concentrate on these two channels more and more. New videos will come. I can, and this was how my short YouTube journey. I can say it's a very short YouTube journey. So, and the story that I want to convey another story. It's of my sister that I and my sister started off with the same day. My sister also created a channel, so we were just we used to help each other, and probably the channel went to death when my sister went to Gujarat because she came in on holiday leave and she has to go. So there was my camera. There was no cameraman. I have to use that selfie mode for using. Although later I made my own tripod with books and scales. So that was two interesting things. And recently, the thing that I discovered is many gaming channels are gaining attraction. So I started
Yeah.
with gaming.
Gaming and
Not
tech are
those-
the main things now in YouTube.
But I thought that everybody plays shooting games, just going, just logging in and killing everybody, headshot,
Yeah.
that shot, this shot. So I just wanted to go away from. So I installed a Fall Guy type of game. There is a game named Fall Guy. So it's just an alternate for Fall Guys, it's Stumble Guys, and it's much more better, I will say. So I started playing this game, and thanks to my Discord mates who had supported me for this long, they helped me for the 50 subs, and Two Wondrous Minds has its own. It also supported me.
So basically, the
this was-
thing is that I told you guys to join because I didn't have any prior idea of how to create a video. And in fact, now also I don't have a powerful video editor. So whatever I did was I learned, and so the first two videos was basically animation based. The next Ritesh did. So I thought that everyone will do some video, but later on it was me only. For the last 6 months, it has been just me.
Yeah, because it's all about the studies and how we got stuck in our devices. Our devices, like my device, I will say that it always shows that exceeded file limit exceeded, so I can't make
Same,
videos.
same,
I actually shared. I actually share my mother's phone, and my mother is a woman, so she also deleted some of my videos. So
Yeah,
Many
I also
of the
have this
gaming-
problem in my phone. That's why I need a quite large amount of space in laptop. And with the help of the S10 Lite, which I actually got the 512 GB version, because I mean normally people buy the 128 or 256, but only due to videos I had to get to the 512 GB.
So let's speak my part. So you guys all know that I'm Agni, and my YouTube journey began with Wondrous Minds. I think on April 2020 I joined this channel, and I debuted in Traumatizing Minds.
Yeah.
As Boybashaka and Abhirup told you that I was not there in the channel previously, I joined later.
Yeah, because you told that you don't have any videos, and I mean it was same as
Yeah,
for
I didn't
me
have any videos.
that I
Yeah,
also
have
didn't.
any videos at that time.
I also didn't know how to create videos back then.
I just have two
At
videos.
first, I was give
Traumatizing.
unequal videos.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm interested in dramatics and type of dances. My debut video was MJ7 dance, as you people have seen, and then it was festival group dance. I was also in the fashion show, but the fashion show did not hit in the locality. It was a bit flop. People didn't like it, so I didn't want to post the fashion. So what can I say? And after a lot of time, I gave an idea about this session.
Yeah. And sessions actually turned our channel by we actually
Yeah.
had a stagnant like in 50. When we were at 50, we were subscribers weren't growing. But
When we were
due to
nearly
the
50,
session,
a thought came in my mind that we have
Yeah.
introduced ourselves by telling each other's names in the channel, but we have never shown our faces in the channel.
yeah, true.
So we can't meet each other due to
Yeah,
this
for-
pandemic. But we can surely do something in the online mode as we are doing now in YouTube. So we will continue our session and entertain you.
Yeah, and also one thing that I would like to tell is that soon you can expect some photography videos from me as well. And that's
Yeah,
because-
I have also given a gaming video that may
yeah,
be
that has been
uploaded
posted already.
channel soon.
I mean, that has been uploaded, but it will come up at in May. So basically, due to the thing that we had our boards, now that boards are
Yeah,
cancelled.
but boards are cancelled now.
Yeah, so because of the boards, I actually uploaded everything from till up to May 30th. So I have to now reschedule the.
Let me open the mask.
And I will recently be making some origami videos because I was concentrating very less on origami. So
Yeah.
mainly I will be posting origami in this channel only because my channel is now, what can I say, exclusively gaming.
You can also make that origami because it already had origami, right? You can.
Yes. But I have to say that origami used to gain more views than those gaming ones.
Yeah, my also in our channel as well. And I should apologize actually because gaming was something that most people actually don't like about this channel. It seems because most of our subscribers had actually
Yeah,
been actually subscribed to the channel because it was something that's not gaming, not tech, like normal tech. Because tech is actually a great thing, but normally what people do is not very good thing. So tech and gaming are the only things that people are doing these days. So people actually subscribe to our channel just because of the fact that we are doing something different, and also not using the
I
profanity,
also think
and also that
we are not using
online
any
roast,
abusive words or anything
Yeah.
other.
because online roasting, then tech and
Most of
gaming.
the YouTubers use these abusive words and all.
Yeah.
We are the exceptions, I think.
Even the gamers used it in streams, like they use abusive words and then they say that this was an 18 plus stream, bro. What can I do? Like this type of lame
Nothing is
excuses they
18 plus nowadays regarding this abuse.
Yeah.
People from
We are
12 years
already
of age
16
are
plus.
using abuse.
even
So I am
Korea
15 plus still.
tells YouTube that he is 18 years old.
18 বছর হলো গালি মারা
Nowadays people are using slangs from even perhaps 12, 10 years. Say.
Yeah, I know.
12,
Even
Even
8
10
years.
months.
Even 8 years.
yeah.
Even the students who are 8 years old use that.
That's very much concerning because it shouldn't be like this. 16 is
Yeah.
actually the age where violence is accepted in internet actually, but it is just half of
I
them.
have heard these types of slangs at the age of 14. I have heard these types of slangs, but I never used these slangs. Actually,
Actually,
no
till
one used
now,
it.
we think
Yeah,
5 times before using a slang, five to
I also
thousand
think
times before using
thousand
a
times,
slang.
5,000
thousand
times.
times. Yeah,
These guys never think. They just tell.
yeah they just
They
use
just
casually.
They
That's
just
what.
tell randomly, as if it is nothing, just a type
Yeah,
of joke
it's actually for
that
them.
they are
It is
playing.
cool. Using slang is
Yeah,
cool for them.
and
Okay, so
towards the
whatever.
viewers, I wanted to
If you
say that
haven't seen our video on that, do check it out because you can see somewhere above. It will be given the link to our video regarding this profanity. We actually have two
profanity.
videos on that, so they will be given somewhere above.
Even there is a poll too.
Yeah, what?
Even there is a poll too on profanity.
Okay, so
so it's our request to the other YouTubers who use the slangs to stop using
yeah, because you see
And
the
do
larger
something
larger
else.
YouTubers, those who have millions of subscribers, they are the ones who
Yeah,
are
and-
influencing. They are the
Yeah.
ones who make these who uses slangs, and people are watching that and making them because they think that using profane words will get them subscribers. And actually, that's
Yeah,
what's happening.
I think
That's
that.
what's happening. And that's what's happening. Like
The world has become that like that now.
yeah.
Yeah.
And in fact, the world has become like TikTok. Like most
Yeah.
of TikTok videos are just some random background music and someone just walking or dancing. Why would someone watch these? I just
Ah,
find
even-
I just
And
find-
everyone gives likes, comments.
yeah, and they are getting millions of views, perhaps billions.
Yeah.
Like-
And the ones who don't use slang, they are stuck in 1.75k.
Yeah, in fact, TikTok does have some really good videos, but most of them are
Most of them are right.
just
Most
some
of them
background
are
music
of-
going on and some random people walking.
They do not have any meaning.
Yeah, that's
There
just
is no
some
meaning.
background music and someone dancing. Like if you really like dancing to some music, if you really like some song a lot, you sing at home, you dance at home,
You
you
sing at home, you
watch
dance at home. Why are you making a video on that? Nah?
and really
And why
like,
are you posting it in TikTok?
and then thousands
That's-
of millions of people are just watching that, liking that, commenting, like following them just for this, for the sake of
people
the video.
just getting drenched in shower, and they are just giving a background music of some barish type of thing, and they are getting drenched in shower. That's
Yeah.
appearing so cool. We see we are drenching in water.
And then another thing is this vlog. Like vlogs have become something that's like it's really overrated these days. Vlogs can be like
Yeah,
travel vlogs, then something like these, like also regarding some views regarding this cancellation of boats, also some dance reviews.
There are
These
some
are okay.
YouTubers who
These
make
are okay.
vlogs every day.
Yeah, there are,
people
and
watch-
in fact
they
they have
make
millions
vlogs
and
on-
millions of subscribers.
Yeah,
there.
yeah. And
Like,
people
I
make
don't
vlogs on
know,
what they
I-
do every day.
I really don't understand.
They are going to
why
shopping
would-
mall, they are making the
Yeah.
vlog.
Why would people
They
like, watch another
They-
person's life?
Even if they are
Yeah, that's the
repairing
thing.
their
They are repairing
Even
their
if-
AC.
washing
They have
machine,
bought
they
a
are
new
doing a
phone.
vlog.
They are making a
like
vlog.
I don't think, I don't know why
They
people
went to
are
a new
actually
house, they are
watching
making a vlog.
another people's life. I mean, how can millions
And
of people be
The people
interested
watch,
in someone's life?
millions of people watch their lives and they
Yeah.
subscribe their channel.
Yeah,
But how are
Yeah.
they interested in each other's life?
I mean, perhaps they don't care about their own life.
Yeah.
Even there is a
That's the
streamer who sleeps in his stream, and if anyone gives him a super chat, he just wake up and start playing a guitar. Then he again goes to sleep. He does that
Ah.
every day. The guy only sleeps.
So, what's next?
So I think this is where we end this thing today. And so those who are watching this video for the first time, I mean, who are new to this channel, do subscribe and also
Yeah,
share our
like and share
our
our
videos
channel.
because we need to hit 10,000 by the end of this year, or perhaps 6 months also later.
Yeah, if possible.
We have to get to 10,000 somewhere,
Hmm.
sometime soon.
Somehow we will have to get.
Yeah, so
10,000.
do share, do subscribe, like, comment, and do whatever
And
you feel
don't
like.
forget to click the
And
bell
also
icon.
do give your suggestion and feedback. And you can also do our write it in the comments, or also send DM to our Instagram, or also write in our website.
If we have
because
said
we have-
anything wrong, then you can tell us that what we said wrong. Though we think that we haven't said anything wrong,
yeah, and
but
also
still, if you give us thing, then
yeah,
you can
Always come for our
we have
improvement.
we have a separate website just for the sake of suggestions of topics. So you can find it in the about section of our channel, and so do give your suggestion, feedback, and also do check out our Instagram because we will soon hit 500 in that, and so do check it out. And that's where we end today. Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay at
Bye.
home. And
Yeah.
watch our videos. Goodbye. Meet you some
Goodbye.
3 days later. Bye.
Yep.